Hello and welcome to our Pictek Wired Gaming Mouse review. Today we're taking a look at the Pictek T16 Wired Gaming Mouse. We previously reviewed the Pictek T7 Gaming Mouse, which is the younger brother and not as good option of the T16. In my opinion, after using this mouse for 2 weeks, I think the Pictek T16 could very well be the best gaming mouse under $20 in 2021. The Pictek T16 is highly affordable and highly functional. Even though it's the upgraded version of the T7, at the time of filming this video, it is cheaper. Link below in the description. It connects up to your computer via USB Type-A and a cable that is just under 6 feet long. The cable itself is moderately flexible and I didn't notice any unnecessary drag while gaming. Bada bing, bada boom, all fired up. But wait. There's more. To actually take full control of this mouse and all of its features, you'll want to download the driver. With the Pictek mice that I've reviewed, it's always been very hard to find the correct driver for the mouse. So for the T16, you just have to go into the description below. Once you've installed your driver software, you have a lot of features that you can pick and choose from with this mouse. First off, you can adjust DPI. It has adjustable DPI from 500 DPI all the way up to 7200 DPI. You can program 5 different levels of DPI that you can quick select with the buttons on the mouse. Each different level correlates with a color, so you know exactly what level of DPI you're on, even while you're in game. The next menu of settings deals with lighting. There are 3 different lighting zones on this mouse and 7 different modes that you can select from. My personal favorite is the one that I have it on all the time, and that's this color streaming mode. Depending on the mode, you can adjust things like speed of the effect and brightness. After the lighting, we have the mouse parameter screen, which allows us to adjust mouse sensitivity, scrolling speed with the scroll wheel, which I am actually a very big fan of this scroll wheel. And last but not least, double click speed. I've never actually used that setting, but for some of you that may be important. Lastly is the polling rate, which I also have never used, and it adjusts between 125 Hz all the way up to 1000 Hz with some levels in between. The last main function of the software is to program the 8 different buttons on this mouse. You have your standard left, right click, scroll wheel, up, down, DPI, 2 that you can select with the side of your thumb, and then 1 with the tip of your thumb. That is rare. The Pictek T7 only has 7 programmable buttons, while the T16 comes out as the winner again with 8 programmable buttons. You can program these buttons to do a number of things that I found unusual, like the triple click, or you can have a quick select DPI. If you're in a sniper situation, you can select that one and it will lock to that DPI level. Additionally, you can program macros. I've never done that before, but if you do use macros, you can do that with this mouse. One of the reasons that I'm such a big fan of the T16 versus the T7 is actually the left-right click switches. Just listen to these. Pretty crispy for a mouse that is less than 20 bucks, and compared to the T7, which I thought had absolutely bad switches for the left-right click, this is a major upgrade. I will say that the buttons on the side are not very satisfying to press. On the bright side though, I was a fan and still am a fan of the scroll wheel. For my testing, I played multiple games of League of Legends, browsed the web, and even did one of those clicky things where you have to click fast. This did well for that. The mouse itself is 12.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters by about 3 centimeters tall, and it weighs in at 5.6 ounces, medium size, medium weight. It's a good, agile mouse, slides well with 4 slide pads on the bottom. Overall, I'm a fan of the size and weight, which is unusual because most of the mice in this price range feel cheap. This one does not. I'm a super big fan of the grips on the side. If you have sweaty hands, you're not gonna lose this mouse in game. And the matte black, complemented by the LED lights, looks quite nice. In summary, I would classify this as one of the best gaming mice under 20 in 2021. For under $20, you get a highly affordable and highly functional mouse that has awesome RGB lighting, adjustable DPI, is of moderate size and moderate weight, making it great for you entry-level gamers. If you have any questions that we didn't answer in the video, please ask those in the comment section below. If you'd like to purchase this mouse, we'll have it linked below as well. Other than that, folks, that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining us for this Pictek Wired Gaming Mouse review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. If you have something that you think we should review in the future, comment that down below. As always, folks, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.